To copy and paste the shape of a segment, first select the segment to copy, then go to the segment menu and click Copy. This opens the clipboard viewer. The preview window shows the shape of the copied segment with a red X on the start point. Flip the segment shape in X and Y. Or keep the segment shape, but change the start point. Tick on grading, notches, or darts to keep any of these attributes on the segment. Now, select the starting point for where to paste the segment. In this case, the segment where we want to paste is a few inches longer than the copied segment. There are 3 paste options. Proportional blends the pasted segment shape into the piece as an external contour. Internal proportional pastes the segment between 2 selected points as a blended internal contour. And internal pastes the segment exactly as it is, without resizing or blending, as an internal contour.